'cause you're everywhere. See the place you know you be with me. I wanna be here, baby, breathe. Hold you forever. All the stars above, and I know, baby, your love is shining like the sky. All I want tonight, you like dancing in the moonlight, kissing with the moonlight. Baby, I don't want nobody else but you. Like dancing in the moonlight, kissing with the moonlight. Baby, I don't want nobody else but you.
And sassy performance from our super amazing cast. So, while you're catching your breath, let me go on stage. Coach Julian. Let's go! To give her insights about her camp for Super Basics. Let's go!
Hi guys. So originally they were four, but one had to back out due to health reasons. So first and foremost, I just want to acknowledge din yung efforts nila to make this camp possible. My Super Basics camp is actually designed for zero-level dancers who wants to try and see if they can dance. So before, when they came to my class, they were really reserved and very shy to even move a step. But yeah, that's why I'm very proud of them, because now they're coming out of their comfort zones, and now seeing them really practicing this is really a very proud moment for me. So congratulations, guys. So this is not obviously the end. As you can see, they still have a lot to grow. Pero no, I mean, it's just the start. So I hope you guys can also watch them grow to become the dancers that they want to become in the future. Thank you po. By the way, my Super Basics class is every Friday, 12 noon to 1 p.m. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Julian. Let's get to know our Super Basic campers.
Hi, I'm Alice.
Let's go!
So I haven't been dancing for a long time, and I would like to thank Coach Julian for igniting that spark in me to dance. And I also would like to thank my friends here, sa co-worker ko na nagkakap sa akin, to dance again. So yes, and thank you din to the other coaches here at ACE, kasi I've also been taking classes, other classes, and I've been having fun relearning how to dance. So thank you guys.
Hello, I'm Lara. I only started to learn how to dance in April for the first time. And I'm super grateful because
And I'm thankful for H Dance Studio for creating a safe space, and especially Coach Julian for making me more confident.